How to perform a factory reset on the CountLab 2 cash register. Disclaimer: if you perform the factory reset, you will lose all sales and programming data. The till will be reverted back to its factory default. To perform the procedure, you'll need the metal mode key marked P, and you'll need to turn it round to the PRG position. You then need to switch the till off using the rocker switch on the right hand side. Leave off for a couple of seconds, turn the machine back on, press the clear button, then type in the following code 9517 and then press the RA button here once. The machine issues one loud beep and you can turn the key back to reg, knowing that the factory reset has been performed. Thanks for watching.